Good afternoon, guys. Brian and Aaron here from 5 to Go, coming to you from our backyard.
Ooh.
We just got back from looking at an RV, and this is a serious contender.
Ooh.
Yeah, so we went up the road here to a dealership, and we checked out a 2003
Chateau.
Four Winds Chateau
29B.
Something like, it'll be right here. Sorry, it was kind of a whirlwind. It wasn't out on the lot.
Nope.
Because it was in their shop getting looked at. It was having a big inspection done on it, so we weren't able to drive it.
Nope.
We weren't really able to like climb on top of it or underneath it or run the generator or anything like that. We're going to go back on Monday,
Yep.
take a look at it,
Drive it,
get the kids in it, put the car seats in it, the whole nine. So you're about to see our quick little
sneak peek of it.
Our quick little tour of us kind of finding what was going on inside this rig.
Right.
We are inside a garage, which is why,
it's really dark in there.
It's really, really dark. Sorry about the lighting, but I promise you, maybe when we go back on Monday, it'll be outside in the sun.
Right.
We'll get a better look at it, and that will be another episode. So we will tell you what we're doing this weekend after you check out the rig.
Yay!
Ooh, it's dark in here.
Dinosaur. I gotta go potty.
Okay, you go in there. Be quiet.
Mommy,
Don't open the toilet.
Mommy, watch this.
So, I wonder if you can see.
Yeah, I mean, ostensibly
there.
that's what that's for.
That's kind of nice.
So it's got windows on both sides and the back. Doesn't
Yep.
look like the back one opens, like in the other one.
No.
But it's got a weird little cabinet up in the corner.
Oh.
Cabinets up and around, drawers on both sides.
Okay.
It's got the bed lifts up like I saw just a second ago.
Yeah, just like it did in the travel trailer.
Yeah.
But nice. You'd have to slip over here. Can you
It'll be
handle
fine.
being on that side?
1, 2.
So, tiny shower here.
Yeah.
But we'll
It's
figure
okay.
it out.
It's but
Yeah,
not
I
for
know.
full timing.
After
So bathroom, like a full residential door.
Yeah. Well, and it comes here, and there's a stop right here, so
So
you have a little bit of privacy when you're
Hello.
in the shower.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
It
We could
hinges.
put a magnet on it.
It's
Oh,
a
there was
hinge.
one. Oh, it's a
There's
piano
hinge all the
hinge.
way here. Yeah.
go, go, go.
Okay, Ben is pushing me out of the bedroom. Hold on.
Okay.
There you go.
Hello.
Now you're gone.
Oh,
Yeah,
there's
that's
a little door there.
okay. So this unit was being purchased, and the financing fell through. So they were in the middle of an inspection, which is why this is torn up. So we've got a microwave, useless
Oh,
little
this
tiny
here.
microwave. It's a hood.
Oh, it's a hood. Okay.
Oh, and holding tank,
Oh,
battery, water pump, hood light,
all right.
hood fan, and then not sure what test is.
Interesting.
So sink is here, big cabinet underneath.
Yep.
Is this really all the light? Wow,
Yeah.
it's dark in here.
Definitely gonna need more light.
Yeah, these are incandescent. We could easily put nice
Yes.
LEDs in there.
Yes.
So storage all over. I mean, there's cabinets all across the top. We already pulled up seat cushions. This one has 2 seat belts bolted to a metal frame, bolted to the floor. There are no seat belts in this one. There's even a sticker on the wall,
Not
not
long.
occupied during travel.
Right. And this is actually really nice upholstery
Yeah,
fabric. Like, it's really thick.
it feels like marine upholstery. It's got like a, almost like a waxiness to it.
Yeah, it's very thick.
And then over here we've got 1, 2, 3 seat belts.
And
And
I
then
think,
of course those 2 chairs up there.
I think I like Tara sitting up here
Probably,
with
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
And I will sit in these seats because then I can manipulate
yeah.
whatever they're doing and
Yeah.
make that a lot better.
Yep.
A
So
lot
more cabinets
storage up
here, more cabinets here, cabinet up there, cabinet under here. Fridge looks,
Oh, these have the darkening shades too, honey.
well, it doesn't need to get any darker in here.
No, I'm saying on.
Oh, this fridge looks almost unused.
Right.
It has installation instructions in the door. I wonder if it's brand new.
Yeah, it looks pretty
It
new.
feels, and look, this has never
Well,
been used.
It's a new refrigerator.
Yeah, this fridge is brand new.
Did the other ones we looked at have these like curtains already in?
No,
I mean, that's kind of nice.
yeah.
And it's got the 3 windows. These have seen some love. I don't know
It's
what
alright.
it takes to replace these, but
I like this unit.
I like it too.
You're very red in this.
Oh, so now my lighting, you have to do some white
No,
balance
yeah,
in here.
yeah.
Yeah, but so these have the darkening shades too.
Oh, the 2-stage?
Yeah.
Yep. Nice.
Which is nice because a lot of the travel trailers don't have these.
Yeah.
Whoa, those are so much heavier.
Mommy, where
Okay.
Right.
Quick release.
Yeah. Well, and it's on the little wall hinge thingy. So that like you put the leg up and then the hinge kind of lowers it to be that bed height. It should be removable if we wanted to remove it.
There's definitely things that I would change cosmetically, but this has really good bones.
It does. Oh, and someone put like laminate flooring down on top of the carpet. Like we walked in and we're like, oh my god, it's really squishy. Like, and then we were like, it's squishy under the entire floor.
Yeah, they just put it right on top of the carpet. It just goes right under.
Yep. Yeah. So door. So everything's pretty worn. Don't know the condition of the awning. Let's look at the tires.
It does look torn. It does look used. It does look like it has no replacement.
Good tread on the tires. So back here we have a huge pass-through, and it's all lined. It's like lined with plastic. It's interesting. And then, okay. Okay, so that's the power inlet there. Generator down there.
No, there's just more stuff that they're working on there.
The window seals.
There's some repair up here in the corner.
Oh yeah, looks like they hit something. So I need to get up into the up into the nose window. That's not our sold sticker, by the way. A little damage down here too. Another lined storage bay. Oh, it looks like wheel covers. Let's get up there and see if we can see into that front corner. Looks like there might be a little bit of something up in the corner there. Alrighty, nice unit. So that's the one we're looking at.
Yep.
It is 29 feet, so it's a little bit longer than I was looking for.
It's okay though.
But it's got about 80,000 miles and the price is absolutely within our budget. So
yes. Be able to do a lot of renovations with that price point.
We are very, very interested in this rig. So we're gonna go back on Monday. We're gonna take a look at absolutely everything we can touch. There were a couple little points that I was a little worried about, but without it being out in the sun and having good light, I wasn't able to really like take a look at it. And I want to get up on the roof and, you know, all that stuff. So we're gonna go back on Monday.
Yep.
But before then, we're going to be out this weekend.
We are.
We're going to northern Colorado.
Yeah.
And we are going to go visit some family in Fort Collins. And then on Sunday, we're going to drive through Rocky Mountain National Park.
We're looking for moose.
We are looking for the mythical creatures that I don't think exist.
We're going to find them.
Yeah, I have looked for moose multiple times. And this will be the second time driving through Rocky Mountain National Park. Last time was 5 years ago.
No, I was pregnant with them. So 4 years ago.
4 years ago. But we're not able to find any because I don't think they exist.
Brian thinks they're like unicorns.
I've never seen one in a zoo.
But there is one in the zoo right across the street.
I haven't seen it.
We're going to go.
I haven't seen it.
If we don't find one this weekend in the wild, we're going to the zoo so Brian can see the moose.
Yeah, they're not real. I've never seen a Bigfoot in a zoo. Anyway, so we're going to go up there. It's supposed to snow tomorrow.
Here,
so,
yeah, it was 82 degrees today, and it's supposed to be 34 high tomorrow.
And down to 18 overnight. So,
yay, winter!
So if we get snow, that means everything's going to get real pretty.
Yes.
The mountains are going to get dusted, and then Rocky Mountain National Park is going to be gorgeous. Estes Park is going to be gorgeous.
And we love snow.
Yes.
We love snow.
So that's what we're up to.
Yep.
So we will check back in after Monday, so probably a video Tuesday or Wednesday next week. You'll know if we are buying the rig.
And if you see anything when you were looking through on this video and you were like, hey, red flag, tell us. Because like you said, we saw this in the kind of the dark.
Right.
And so if you see something on the video that you're like, hello, I want to look at that
also,
again.
I know
please
that
tell us.
I believe Four Winds is a division of Thor.
It is, but it's an older one.
This is a much older one, and everything I can see online, A lot of the problems really started around like 2010, 2012.
Yeah, this is a 2003, so
2003. We're not worried about
warranties or
and dealer work and all of that stuff. If we need anything worked on it, we'll either do it ourselves or we'll go to like a local repair shop. It's not going to be we're not too worried about the manufacturer. We're more worried about the quality of the rig.
Right.
So if you know anything about these, it's a 2003 Four Winds Chateau. It's here again.
Sport 29 something letter.
Something like that. So if you have one or something similar, let us know what you think.
Please.
And also if you have a Chevy Class C.
Yeah, we haven't looked at many Chevy front ends.
Chevys. I've never owned a Chevy.
Nope.
Wait, I had an S10. Never mind, I've owned a Chevy. Yeah, but I kind of like Ford better.
Yeah, we are kind of Ford people.
Yeah, so anyway, let us know if you know anything about this rig or have any concerns, anything that we need to look at on Monday.
Yep.
And we'll do that.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
See you later.
next week.
Bye.